Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this video I make regarding the free online courses to get the knowledge regarding related subjects. So in this video I'm going to tell you about how to gain this opportunity, and these courses are totally free, available on online, and the certificate also available free. And guys, one thing I also want to tell you that I start my blog written, so there I share lot of articles, so you can go through my blog also, that I will share. So now I tell you about the free online course. Here, see, this is my blogspot, that is abcsps.blogspot.com. in this blog I share the related materials. See, now only I make the articles, that is the element of artificial intelligence course, which is available free, and certificate also available, so you can go through this article and learn about it much more. Next article that I already made a video on it, the free IELTS classes by British Council. Next, the free online courses with free certification, that I already make article, so I will show you which courses are there, and you can see and how can we apply for these courses, that I also tell. So don't worry, stay connected. So I will read this. See, here in this article I share about these online courses which is provided by FutureLearn website, and on FutureLearn website there are other courses also, like short courses, micro degree, online degree courses for master, bachelor, under various subject domains. So you can read this article and see I list out around 43 courses which is totally free, and certification also free available for these courses. So now I will tell you about one course, how to go through this course and register this course and start the classes. So I will show you demo. First you have to click on selected subject name, that I'll show you. For demo I will click on first option, that is Thrive in Trying Time, Teach Out. Click on it. See, the page will be open for that course content, and here you can join option. Here started 13 April, it's already started course, and see the duration 2 week, weekly study 2 hours, learn also free, and see the digital upgrade free. The course which is mentioned that digital upgrade is free, then you can get the certificate fully free. You don't need to pay any amount for this thing. And in this website all courses are learning free, but not all courses are available with free certificate. For some courses you have to pay some amount, but the course I list out in this for around 43 courses, that courses are totally free. For that you don't need to pay any amount. And see here, topic, what topic will you cover, see everything is mentioned here. So you can, by clicking join now, you can join this course. See, after clicking you need to register it by using Facebook, or mention your name, first name, last name, age, email address and passport, and simply register. Then your course will start. No need to do anything extra. Complete your course and get the certificate. And for getting certificate you need to complete the 90% course for this. So I have written back to my blog. See here, and guys, I request you, please, at the last of here the follow option is there, please follow my channel by clicking the follow option. If you have any inquiry, questions, you can ask me on the contact form. See, everything is there. And I also make other articles. See, the free TOEFL classes preparation by ETS, that is providing free by ETS, around 6 week course, I think. Yeah, 6 week course provided by ETS. So you can enroll this course also and prepare the TOEFL class also. See, and the other articles I also make on it. So guys, until then, goodbye, take care, and have a good time. So stay home, stay safe, and be aware of coronavirus. Thank you.